Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to round down all numbers in a Python array. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got an array where you've got a bunch of numbers that have different decimal values, decimal points, and you'd like to actually get all of those numbers in the array to a certain set of, or the same. You want all of the numbers in that array to have the same number of decimal places. So I'll be showing you how to round down all numbers in a Python array. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to quickly type up my array with the different numbers with varying decimals. Great, so that is my array, as you can see in this command window over here. And it has the numbers in here have varying decimal points. So now to be able to round this down to a set number of decimal points, what you're going to do is make sure that you have imported numpy, by the way. And what you're going to do is I'm going to assign this rounded down array to a new variable b, and then I'm just going to say np.around. And now the first input here is going to be the array that you want to round down, so that's a, and then you're going to type decimals equals, and then you're going to type the number of decimals that you want to round down to. So I'm going to go with 2. And yeah, now let's print b and see if it does it. So if I print b, as you can see, this is a over here, and here we have b, and it's rounded down a to 2 decimal places, or all the numbers in a to 2 decimal places. And there you have it. If you wanted to know how to round down all numbers in a Python array, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.